my channel. So today I'm going to be doing yet another experiment. It's been a little second, but I'm back, and I'm gonna be trying finger waves on my natural long hair. Typically finger waves are done when you have short hair and it is relaxed, and clearly my hair is neither one of those, so that's why I feel like it's gonna be particularly hard to do. But I'm hopeful, I'm prayerful, I'm all of those things. But if it doesn't work, you know, it's just an experiment, no harm, no foul. But if it does work, I might have just did something. If you like when I do little experiments like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. So y'all may have noticed that I already have product in my hair, and it's old trusty. It's my favorite leave-in conditioner by Korea Botanicals. I just wanted to go with something that I know how it works. Basically, I wanted to go with something that was going to moisturize my hair, because I am going to be applying a decent amount of product, and I am also trying to weigh my hair down as much as possible. So that's just what I went in first. Also, all the products that I'm using, I will have them linked down in the description box. Okay, so I'm gonna try to use this scrunchie. I'm really winging it, y'all. Like, I have an idea of how I feel like it will work, but obviously this is not in practice because I ain't never did this before. I'm nervous already because I have kind of bangs, but not really, and I don't want them to get left out of the mix. The important part is definitely the front. If you mess up the front, the whole thing is just messed up. So I'm gonna put the rest of my hair away and just divide and conquer. I already have my hair in the side part, if y'all didn't notice, but you can part it however you want, I guess. This is all theory, y'all, all theory. So the first product I'm gonna go in with is a Texture ID styling foam. Let the games begin. So the next thing I'm going in with is the Style Factor Edge Booster Styling Gel. Probably gonna have to apply this pretty generously. To even the odds, better my chances, so I brought in wet line. I just dropped the top out the Maybach. I dropped the top out of Maybach. That was completely accidental, but you know I had to act a fool with it. That did something. It did a little something. I don't know if it did all that it's gonna need to do, but it definitely made something shake. So now I'm gonna take this bristle brush and just try to brush it down, because remember, we're going for waves here. Then I'm gonna take this duck clip. I got these from my local beauty supply store. In my mind, this was a much easier process. In my mind. Is this, I feel like this is too far down. Okay, I gotta switch that up for sure. That's definitely too big of a gap. I will definitely say it's too big of a gap. I took the wrong one out. This is a joke. All right, y'all, I'm back, and I already applied some more of the wet line gel. Pretty heavy on that. Now I'm just gonna take this duck clip, and if you need to smooth some more, smooth with the bristle brush. And it's okay if you clip too close. You can just pull it down. But the important part is that I'm holding my hair down so it has like a wave instead of a full-on curl. So now I'm just gonna continue this process, and I'm gonna just speed it up for you guys. so y'all, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this Pump It Up Gold Spray. I don't remember why I used to use this as a kid, but I did and it worked. So it's supposed to freeze your hair into place, even when it's doing some styles that are just unnatural for your hair, like this one. So I'm gonna close my eyes first off and try to spray this whole line. It's kind of hard to close your eyes when you want to see it. Okay. Am I good? I'm gonna even spray the bottom. Okay. Whew. That is strong. Remember, less is more. And also remember, we spray and then we pray. Guys, so all I have is this one last section left, and I did want to clear something up because it can probably be confusing considering I didn't even know how I was going to do it. So this is the process I've settled on. First, I have a leave-in in my hair already. The next thing I add is water. The next thing I add after that is the Texture ID styling foam, and then I go on with wet line, and I pretty much pack this bad boy on. Alright y'all, so I'm all done. I say all done, but I'm really not done. I really gotta go sit under the dryer. But before I do that, I'm going to just spray the Pump It Up spray all over my hair because I had stopped doing it after this one. But now that I'm ready for my hair to just set like this, I'm gonna just spray it all over. Okay, so I'm gonna go sit under the dryer and then come back when it's dry. I feel like it's gonna take forever because of how much gel I used, but I forgot to mention that I'm about to just, you know, tie this a little bit, nothing too crazy. Just at the top. I look crazy, I look like a pirate. All right, y'all, I'm a little nervous. It took it about 2 hours to dry because I packed on so much product, but I think it's dry, and if it's not dry, I'ma cry. That's how it's going. So, I don't know if I told you guys or not, but I have 25 hair clips in my head. If your hair is shorter, you would need less. If your hair is longer, you know the drill. So I guess I'm just gonna start taking them out. I'm so nervous, y'all. Okay. They are not freaking dry where the clip is. So I'm gonna take all the clips out and then sit my butt back under the dryer because it needs to dry completely. Okay, so after sitting under the dryer for maybe like 5 minutes, this is what I'm looking like. And I think I'm just gonna separate it just a little bit, but I really wanna keep the waves. We'll see. Hey Hey y'all, I'm back, and what do y'all think? I think this is so cute. Like, I think this is not something I would wear every single day or anything like that, but for the switch up, I would definitely do this. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I added some gold bobby pins on the side, and I think that's a really cute accent. This is a very tamed look. I know that I'm used to big hair, but I would do this for like a fancy dinner or somewhere fancy where you just want to switch it up. You want to be elegant, kind of like, who, me? You wanted me? It's a very tame, like, who said, like, natural hair is so diverse. I can give you big hair one day and then give you this the next. Another thing is my hair came out actually really soft for the amount of gel that I used, but I did moisturize accordingly because y'all know I used a leave-in and then a foam, so I knew I was good on that. But all in all, I'm actually really liking this look. I was nervous, I wasn't really sure if I could achieve it, but apparently, type 4 hair can do more things than I thought it could. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this little experiment. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.